Hey, this is V. You're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a share for the November release with scrapdivadesigns.com. As you can see, I have everything laid out here. This is her information. Be sure to click the description and the link below and check out all of the links that I have listed there. So this here is the elf bow. So get so many of them, and I will go over them in a bit, but I'm also sharing with you the word dies that I did put together for you for this video, as well as the A2 card front shadow frame. So this shadow frame is such a cute frame. I made one of these in the summer. I will have the picture here, and that one was from scratch. So now we have an actual die where you do not have to measure anything. You don't have to score anything. It is all done for you. And this one is one of my favorites. There's so many dies in this release that are amazing and my favorites as well. I'm not just saying that either. All of my reviews that I mentioned in all of my videos are 100% what I feel, and I would never steer you in the wrong direction if it wasn't something I didn't like. So let's go ahead and move on. So here we have the small, medium, large elf bow. There's 7 pieces in each bow. So as far as the large bow, the fishtail part is approximately 4 inches. So you can kind of get an idea. So this one here is the add-on for the slimline card. And here I'm showing you a picture of one of the slimline cards I made, I believe, last year. It was Christmas, so it had to have been last year. These are the word dies that I'm showing you here, and all of the words will go over in just a bit. But you can also purchase this in a bundle, so there are 3 packs. Let's go over the words. So here reads peppermints, December, candles, Santa Claus is separate, so you can use it together or separately, cards and candy. The next one is jolly cards, tinsel, mistletoe, Angel and Rudolph. And the next set here that I'm showing you is the same wording and all, just in different colors. As you can see, I added some bling to each word piece as well. The bling that I'm using is from Michaels. They're flatbacks, and they're by Recollections. The next one here is sleigh bells, chestnuts. I was going to start singing, see? Traditions, hot cocoa, chimney, and holly. So those are in different colors as well. It's time to get into these dies. So we're going to start off with the 3D mini claw machine box. See, this one is 43 pieces, you guys. It's so fun. I love it. And the Nutcracker, 14 pieces. You get, according to the website, the size is 5.5 by 2.25. So that one's going to be a fun one as well. The next one is the Elf mini album. You get 9 pieces. It's a 6 by 5 according to the website. And so many dies, you guys. This one is the Mr. Nutcracker cake, 12 pieces. So fun. We went over this one, the A2 card front shadow frame, 1 piece. And so we went over that. And the next one is the Elf shoe mini album. This one is 5 pieces. So fun as well. I can't wait to make that one. I have an idea, so let's see how it turns out. Next one is the branch and ornament reef set. It's 12 pieces, and depending on how you lay down the leaves is going to be the dimensions. So this one is the mini bottle pocket tag, 5 pieces. The next one over is the gingerbread garland. Oh no, it's not. This one is the Memory Decks gingerbread shaker. I love shakers, you guys. This one's going to be a fun one. And then here's the garland. This one is 9 pieces. Approximate size is 4.5 by 3.5 according to the website. So do not quote me on that. So let's get started with the shadow box. I'm beginning with the score tape. I'm going to add some acetate as well. I've already prepped it and did some stitching on it with my sewing machine. And there it is. It's all fixed, just like that. In 2 seconds, all done. Now for the backing. The backing is approximately 5 15/16 of an inch by 4 3/4 of an inch. And so you can cut that as is, and I'm going to glue it down with some liquid glue. And just take your time with it to make sure it's not wonky or anything like that, and flimsy. And take your time and glue it down very sturdy. So here I couldn't find my bone folder. Otherwise, I'd be using my bone folder versus my scissors. So here's the box. So I am going to cover the backing. So I did not glue one of the flaps. So choose one of the flaps you don't want to glue down and don't glue it down. Moving on to the back. So as far as the box, you can bypass the smaller backing, which is the 4 3/4 by 5 15/16 of an inch, and just keep the taller size backing. The taller size backing is 5 15/6 of an inch by 5 inches, and I did round those corners with a corner rounder, and I'm also adding a backing, and you can see the white cardstock. I'm using some hot glue to adhere those two together, and then I'm going to adhere it to the box. So again, I'm just so like, I don't know, I have this like everything needs to be sturdy and cardboard like, and so yeah, I can't just not bypass that part. I need all those flaps to be hidden in the back, all the tabs. And so that's why I added the extra pieces. All right, I'm going to decorate this box using some foam stickers. And yeah, I'm going to use these here. I still have so much of this collection I need to get rid of. So warm and cozy. And I'm also going to add some stars. Okay, these stars I picked up a long time ago. I have no idea where they came from. I truly don't. So it's been so long. The flatbacks are from Michael's by Recollection. So as you can see, I added the stars, then added the flatbacks. Oh, tongue twister. And right on top of it. And I'm not sure who is the creator of that. Who came up with that? Oh my God. I have two people in mind, and I'm just going to say them both because I don't want to leave anyone out. But I believe it was either Rhoda or Adriana. So I will have them both linked below, their Instagram, so you could check that out. I'm not sure which one came up with it, but it's such a genius idea, and I just love it. So I'm adding the stars. I'm adding flatbacks on top of those stars. And I'm going to also add some more clusters here. And I'm also adding a tassel. The tassels from Snow and Cocoa release. I still had it. So, I would have stitched every bit of the word pieces there if I was able to, but they're foam, so I couldn't do it. So, yeah, I added these sequins there just to give it some more detail. I believe this box I will be using again in the near future. So this is my favorite color for word pieces, is the darker pink with the lighter pink background. You guys, I swoon over it. Also, the light blue and white, I just love them together for Christmas. This box is perfect for gift giving, swaps, treats. You could even put a cookie in here. You could put your socks in here. It's a nice compact box for stocking stuffers as well. That would be good. You can also include more word pieces backed with acetate and gift them. Tassels, flags can fit in here, bows, rosettes. Here are all of the word pieces that I put together in different colors. Tell me which one is your favorite. You guys know what mine is. And so I just mixed and matched and try to bring up the Christmas colors that I will be using for this season. I even thought of black. I've been loving how Vicky Bouton's Christmas collection has black in it. It's so beautiful, you guys. I just love it. And so yeah, I was considering adding black. As you can see, this collection has black. You can see the word warm and then the black. Well, this concludes the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.